Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic apartment in Patacona Beach in Marinostrum Avenue. And well, this apartment is very well located to spend a great time here. You are next to the beach. You can see the beach from the balcony. And well, in this neighborhood you have a supermarket just 2 streets ahead. And well, it's very well connected, this apartment, with the rest of the city, with Valencia. It's by bus, and well, it's a great place to live here. And it's close also to the Polytechnical University of Valencia. And well, this apartment is a first floor with an elevator, has one bedroom and 1 bathroom, and I'm gonna show you. So we start here in the main entrance. That's the main door. And in this hall we have this door for the bedroom number 1 and this door for the living area. We start here in the bedroom. Well, this is a spacious bedroom with a double bed, a bedside table, a sofa, this furniture with a flat TV, a chest of drawers, and this slide glass door to go into this balcony with street views. Over there is the beach, the Patacona beach. And well, here in this bedroom you have air conditioning and a lot of storage space in that built-in wardrobe. Here more. And here in the bedroom you have the bathroom. And here you have a shower, sink, a mirror, some storage space here, a toilet, bidet. Well, it's great. And now we go into the living area. Here on my left is this is the kitchen that connects with the living room. Here in the kitchen you have the fridge with freezer, some drawers with the kitchen stuff, electrical stove, oven, some cabinets here with pans, 2 sinks, plates, a coffee machine, a dishwasher, microwaves, and there is the living. But first I'm gonna show you the laundry room, where you have 2 electrical water heating system, the washing machine, sink, and some storage space there, and window to the street. And this is the living area, where you have a sofa, a great flat TV, a table with 4 chairs, and an amazing window. And here we have the balcony with a table, 2 chairs, and the barbecue, and views to the street and to the beach, which is great. And well, that was all. Hope you enjoy it. Was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.